다른 방으로 바꿔주세요.
I'd like to change rooms, please.
I'd like to change rooms, please.
I'd like to change rooms, please.
에어컨이 고장났어요.
The air conditioner is not working.
The air conditioner is not working.
The air conditioner is not working.
귀중품을 어디에 보관할 수 있나요?
Where can I keep my valuables?
Where can I keep my valuables?
Where can I keep my valuables?
룸서비스를 주문하고 싶은데요.
I'd like to order room service, please.
I'd like to order room service, please.
I'd like to order room service, please.
담배는 어디서 살 수 있나요?
Where can I buy cigarettes?
Where can I buy cigarettes?
Where can I buy cigarettes?
늦게 도착해요. 제 예약을 유지해 주세요.
I'm arriving late. Please keep my reservation.
I'm arriving late. Please keep my reservation.
I'm arriving late. Please keep my reservation.
비상구가 어디죠?
Where is the emergency exit?
Where is the emergency exit?
Where is the emergency exit?
수건을 더 주세요.
Could I have more towels?
Could I have more towels?
Could I have more towels?
제 방을 청소해 주세요.
My room needs to be cleaned, please.
My room needs to be cleaned, please.
My room needs to be cleaned, please.
식당은 언제 여나요?
When does the dining room open?
When does the dining room open?
When does the dining room open?
아침 식사는 언제 나오나요?
When is breakfast served?
When is breakfast served?
When is breakfast served?
이 호텔 체크아웃 시간이 어떻게 되나요?
What is the checkout time at this hotel?
What is the checkout time at this hotel?
What is the checkout time at this hotel?
7시 30분에 모닝콜을 부탁합니다.
I would like to have a wake-up call at 7:30.
I would like to have a wake-up call at 7:30.
I would like to have a wake-up call at 7:30.
체크아웃 하고 싶어요.
I'd like to check out.
I'd like to check out.
I'd like to check out.
공항까지 오가는 버스가 있나요?
Do you have a bus service to and from the airport?
Do you have a bus service to and from the airport?
Do you have a bus service to and from the airport?
오늘 밤 7시에 세 사람 자리를 예약하고 싶어요.
I'd like to make a reservation for 3 at 7 tonight.
I'd like to make a reservation for 3 at 7 tonight.
I'd like to make a reservation for 3 at 7 tonight.
우리는 창가에 앉는 것을 선호해요.
We prefer to sit by the window.
We prefer to sit by the window.
We prefer to sit by the window.
창 쪽 자리로 부탁해요.
I'd like a window seat, please.
I'd like a window seat, please.
I'd like a window seat, please.
2인용 테이블로 주세요.
A table for 2, please.
A table for 2, please.
A table for 2, please.
어린이 의자를 준비해 주세요.
Do you have a high chair?
Do you have a high chair?
Do you have a high chair?
저쪽 테이블로 옮기고 싶어요.
Could we move to that table?
Could we move to that table?
Could we move to that table?
메뉴판 좀 주시겠어요?
May I have a menu?
May I have a menu?
May I have a menu?
한국어로 된 메뉴판이 있나요?
Do you have a menu in Korean?
Do you have a menu in Korean?
Do you have a menu in Korean?
얼음물 좀 주시겠어요?
May I have some ice water?
May I have some ice water?
May I have some ice water?
여기서 가장 인기 있는 요리가 뭐예요?
What is the most popular dish here?
What is the most popular dish here?
What is the most popular dish here?
얼마나 걸릴까요?
How long will it take?
How long will it take?
How long will it take?
주문할게요.
We'd like to order, please.
We'd like to order, please.
We'd like to order, please.
좀 이따가 주문할게요.
Give us a little more time.
Give us a little more time.
Give us a little more time.
스테이크로 주세요.
I'd like the steak, please.
I'd like the steak, please.
I'd like the steak, please.
물 좀 더 주시겠어요?
Can I have some more water?
Can I have some more water?
Can I have some more water?
이건 제가 주문한 요리가 아닌데요.
This is not what I ordered.
This is not what I ordered.
This is not what I ordered.
계산서 좀 주시겠어요?
Could I have the check, please?
Could I have the check, please?
Could I have the check, please?
이 자리에 앉아도 될까요?
Can I take this seat?
Can I take this seat?
Can I take this seat?
이것들은 면세품입니까?
Are these tax-free items?
Are these tax-free items?
Are these tax-free items?
저것 좀 보여주세요.
Can you show me that?
Can you show me that?
Can you show me that?
세일하는 것인가요?
Is this on sale?
Is this on sale?
Is this on sale?
이거 입어봐도 될까요?
May I try this on?
May I try this on?
May I try this on?
이 티셔츠는 얼마입니까?
How much is this t-shirt?
How much is this t-shirt?
How much is this t-shirt?
너무 비싸요.
It's too expensive.
It's too expensive.
It's too expensive.
좀 둘러봐도 될까요?
Can I look around?
Can I look around?
Can I look around?
다른 것 좀 보여주세요.
Could you show me some other items?
Could you show me some other items?
Could you show me some other items?
카드로 계산할 수 있나요?
Can I pay by credit card?
Can I pay by credit card?
Can I pay by credit card?
세금을 내야 하나요?
Do I need to pay tax?
Do I need to pay tax?
Do I need to pay tax?
이걸로 할게요.
I'll take this one.
I'll take this one.
I'll take this one.
안녕하세요.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening.
한 사이즈 크게 주세요.
I'd like one size up.
I'd like one size up.
I'd like one size up.
계산대는 어디에 있어요?
Where is the cashier?
Where is the cashier?
Where is the cashier?
환불해 주시겠어요?
Can I get a refund?
Can I get a refund?
Can I get a refund?
이게 최종 가격인가요?
Is this your final price?
Is this your final price?
Is this your final price?
얼마인가요?
How much is it?
How much is it?
How much is it?
선물 포장을 해주세요.
Please gift wrap it.
Please gift wrap it.
Please gift wrap it.
비싸요.
It's expensive.
It's expensive.
It's expensive.
어디서 환전할 수 있어요?
Where can I change money?
Where can I change money?
Where can I change money?
문방구는 어디에 있습니까?
Where are the stationery store?
Where are the stationery store?
Where are the stationery store?
이 근처에 현금 자동 인출기가 있나요?
Is there an ATM machine around here?
Is there an ATM machine around here?
Is there an ATM machine around here?
전자제품 매장은 몇 층에 있나요?
Which floor is the electronics store?
Which floor is the electronics store?
Which floor is the electronics store?
환전해 주세요.
I'd like to exchange this, please.
I'd like to exchange this, please.
I'd like to exchange this, please.
화장품 코너를 찾고 있어요.
I'm looking for the cosmetics section.
I'm looking for the cosmetics section.
I'm looking for the cosmetics section.
더 작은 치수로 바꾸고 싶어요.
I want to exchange it for a smaller size.
I want to exchange it for a smaller size.
I want to exchange it for a smaller size.
조금만 내려주시겠어요?
Can you come down a little bit?
Can you come down a little bit?
Can you come down a little bit?
수고하셨습니다. 반복해서 들으면 실생활 영어 활용에 많은 도움이 됩니다. 구독과 좋아요는 영상 제작에 큰 힘이 됩니다. 감사합니다.